Whiteboard Paint, a superior tool for practicing visual learning. In this video, we will examine several visual learning techniques that you can use with whiteboard painted walls. Concept mapping using whiteboard painted walls. Students can draw intricate webs connecting ideas or themes to help them visualize and organize knowledge that you present in class. The learners will have ample opportunity to sketch large concept or mind maps on the broad, expansive surfaces of your whiteboard painted walls. Data visualization walls coated with whiteboard paint give students blank canvases on which to pursue such mathematical ideas and connections visually. They provide large spaces that allow learners to engage in problem solving by writing out, erasing, and rewriting equations, graphs, and diagrams as much as necessary. Spontaneous visualizations. While thinking on their own or collaborating in groups in the classroom, students often draw spur-of-the-moment diagrams on whiteboard painted walls. Diagrams and drawings. Whiteboard paint, a superior tool for practicing visual learning. Teachers can use walls coated with whiteboard paint to create graphics like flowcharts and Venn diagrams. These diagrams correspond to complex ideas or structures, such as the growth cycle of a plant, the parts of the human anatomy, or the structure of a cell. Color coding to add visual appeal. Color is an invaluable tool for enhancing visual learning. Using colors when you teach is another excellent way to keep learners visually engaged. You can easily employ color coding to organize information while presenting a lesson. Creating timelines. Timelines are powerful multi-purpose visual learning tools that are especially useful in subjects such as language arts and history. One productive way to use timelines in a language arts class is to have groups of students create them on your whiteboard painted wall. Whiteboard paint transforms walls into interactive learning spaces, boosting creativity and retention through visual strategies. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.